Shipping to another country can seem intimidating, but we're here to make it easier. We can be your customs broker. This is a person or agency who communicates with both countries to make sure shipments comply with the correct procedures. You'll need detailed information about the item you're shipping, such as its value, its size, and where it was made, plus addresses and phone numbers for both you and the person you're shipping to. Get a guided walkthrough of the information and customs paperwork you need with FedEx International Shipping Assist. Or if you need in-person assistance, we can help at your nearest FedEx office or FedEx Ship Center. Next, pack the shipment. You can find helpful packing tips at fedex.com/packaging. Once the shipment's packed, take it to a nearby FedEx office location, along with the paperwork you've prepared. Our team will help you print your shipping label and attach it to the package, along with your paperwork. Get more help with international shipping.